Hello and welcome to the introduction to sfirionBIM. In this video we explain the registration, project setup, and management. On the app's home screen, click Register. Then enter your email address, your display name and choose a secure password. After clicking Next, you will be sent an email with a confirmation code, which you will need to enter in the next step to verify your email address. Now you can create a new project. Choose the package that fits your needs. This is then valid for 1 year and can be extended or upgraded at any time. Please do not close the app until the payment process is complete. To set up the project, you have to upload your IFC file. If you want to upload multiple IFC models into one project, you may merge them beforehand with our conversion tool for Windows. Please watch the corresponding video. The upload process can take a few minutes, depending on the model size, because the model is processed and optimized by the server. You can share your project with other participants. To do this, click the Share icon in the project options. Enter the user's email address and select their role. The roles are relevant for creating or reviewing the daily reports. The contract number is intended to be displayed on the user's daily reports. Set the permissions according to your preferences and click Share. In the project options, you also have the possibility to download your IFC file or to upload a more recent IFC file. You can also navigate here to the areas Photos, Documents, or Daily Reports. To change your project settings, click on the small gear icon. This will open your default browser with the management page for your project. Here you can change the name of your project as well as the project address and the official client. This information is relevant for the PDF printout of the daily reports. Here you can also back up or restore the model or the user-generated data and manage the project shares. You can also make changes to your user account here. Thank you for your interest in sfirionBIM. For more information, visit our website www.sfirion.de/bim.